I'm sure you've heard the news. Theme park robots are getting more lifelike every day. But how exactly do they come to life? It all starts with a vision. Designers and engineers sketch and model every detail, from a robot's smile to its wave. Next, they build the mechanical skeleton, the real nuts and bolts, powered by hydraulics and pneumatics for realistic movement. Then comes the magic of programming. Software engineers code and test every bit so these robots can move, talk, and even interact with you. But looking real is just as important as moving right. Sculptors and painters craft lifelike skin and features, adding those tiny details that make all the difference. Sound engineers then sync voices and effects to match every move perfectly, and before they hit the parks, each animatronic undergoes rigorous testing to ensure a flawless performance. So next time you're at a theme park, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey these robots take, from concept to reality. It's pure magic in motion.